Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. We are doing a quick trial run before I maybe mount this and dump the exhaust through the wall. Nice little ghetto rig of power. I've been organizing and it's getting cold in here. I started it at exactly 12:30 and started at 36 degrees. So I'm gonna let it run for a half hour and see what I can get the temp up to in here. Because it's gonna snow and the wife needed her car in the garage. So I had to clean. So the door's open, so it's not really a full test. But we're gonna see what the little Vevor diesel heater can do and if it's worth me setting it up. So I don't believe that 1 degree, so we're gonna say we started at 37, 12:30. Merry of late Christmas, Happy New Year. Hopefully going live tonight, pushing some snow. So I got mounts and everything set up, spare batteries. And maybe one day we'll finish this thing. But thanks for checking in. I'll do another short and say a half hour or maybe an hour if it's going well. See how this thing does. Have a good one.